Welcome back to your juicy advent calendar.
Our mission is to find world peace through intimacy.
My name is Shaft Uddin.
And my name is Ronya.
And today's exercise is...
Exercise 13, the benchwarmer. Giver continues to lie down on his back, relaxing completely with his erection up in the air. The receiver simply sits on top, crossing her legs as if though she's sitting on a bench, relaxing and feeling like the total lady.
Thank you for watching and don't miss tomorrow's episode.
And don't miss, thumbs up. Yeah.
Subscribe, everything's below.
Yeah, everything is below.
Everything is below. I mean, it really is. The biggest gift you could give each other
is your presence.